Welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee. I'm going to show you how to make Robbie's recipe of the Spiced Rum Punch.
All right, that's how you make the Spiced Rum Punch. This one definitely has a kick to it, but I kind of like it, the kick. It's refreshing while as it's going down your throat, it has a bit of a kick.
Right.
It's really good.
Yeah, so it kind of burns on the way down. It's because I used just about half a bar spoon of habanero sauce here. So you can play around with that. I kind of like mine on a little less spicy. She likes it even less spicy than I do. So
Low spice tolerance.
yeah, do it however you like. It's the taste, so make it your own. And then I also use pineapple, orange, and banana juice. And the banana in there really mixes well with our spiced rum.
And the spiced rum is another one of my favorites out of all the rum. I mean, I like them all, but the spice is another favorite of mine, and it really mixes well with all the different ingredients in here, I think.
The spiced rum is great because, you know, it's 40%. Some other things aren't quite 40%, so we're proud of that. And we use more than just vanilla to spice it, so you get a few extra flavor components in there, and all of that works so well with everything else that we have going on in this drink.
I really like this one. I think it's a nice, refreshing, I'm going to sit by the lake or the beach today and just kind of relax because it gives you that kick.
Yeah.
And it makes you feel excited, I think. But if you want to learn how to make more of these cocktails, there's a link in the description to our cocktail classes. They're super fun. You learn how to make all the drinks with Lee and learn a bunch of different bar tricks. So you can sign up for those. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Cheers.
Cheers.